Today, I'll show you how to change your home address on Google Maps. Changing your home address makes navigation faster because Google Maps can quickly give you directions to and from your home. It can also improve commute suggestions, saved places, and personalized map results. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Settings. Next, tap Edit Home or Work. You may also find this option under Saved, then Labeled, depending on your app version. Now look for Home. Tap the three-dot menu next to Home. Choose Edit Home. Now enter your new home address in the search bar. Select the correct address from the results. If the address does not appear exactly, you can choose the closest result and adjust the map pin if Google Maps gives you that option. After selecting the new location, save the change. Your home address is now updated in Google Maps. To test it, go back to the main map screen and search for Home. Google Maps should now show your new home location. If you want to remove the old address completely, go back to Saved, open Labeled, tap the three-dot menu next to Home, and choose Remove Home or Edit Home. You can update this anytime if you move or want to change the saved location. And that's it. You've successfully changed your home address on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.